Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see one surface area and volume problem. Let's look into the question. A milk tanker, cylindrical in shape, having diameter 2 meter and length 4.2 meter, supplies milk to two booths in the ratio 3:2. And one of the milk booth has cuboidal vessel having base area 3.96 square meter, and other has a cylindrical vessel having radius 1 meter. So now we need to find the level of milk in each of the vessel. So first, what has been given? There is one milk tanker. So we'll make one milk tanker. Yes, for this the diameter is given as 2 meter, but we want only radius, so I will be mentioning radius equal to 1 meter. And also they mention about the height of this tank, which is nothing but the length of the tank, which is nothing but height. So height equal to 4.2 meter. And in this milk tanker only, the milk is going to supply for two booths in the ratio 3:2. So first I need to know how much milk this is carrying, right? So how much milk it is carrying, how can we find? Only by the volume. So what is the volume formula for the cylinder? It is pi r square h. And in the question, they have mentioned that use 22/7 for pi. So just use it. 22/7, and what is the radius? 1 meter into 1, and the height is 4.2. Now 7 and 4.2 can be cancelled and it will become 0.6. If you multiply 22 and 0.6, we'll get 13.2 meter cube. So this is what the volume of this cylindrical tank. So now this milk tank is going to supply the milk to two booths. One booth is of cuboidal vessel. So one booth is of cuboidal vessel and the another booth is of cylindrical vessel. When it is supplying, it is going to supply three parts of this whole total volume for a cuboidal vessel and the two part of its total volume to the cylindrical vessel. So we can make this as 3x and 2x. And then they have even given the base area of the cuboid. What is the base of the cuboid? It's a rectangle. Then what about the base area, which is LB, equal to 3.96 meter square. And over here for cylindrical vessel, they have mentioned only the radius, which is 1 meter. And at last we have to find the level of milk. What is the meaning of level of milk? If I am filling milk over here, so till where it is going to get filled? See, for example, over here I will mention, so I am pouring the milk, so till at what level? What is the meaning level means over here? It's nothing but height. So in both the vessel we are going to find the height. So this is what actually the overview of our question. So first, so we need to find 3x means how much milk has been supplied to booth 1, and 2x means how much milk has been supplied to booth 2. This is what we have to find. So totally there are 5 portions, right? So I can make it as 5x equal to 13.2. Then find what is x equal to 13.2 divided by 5. So if we cancel, we will get 2.64 for the value of x. Then for booth 1, how much milk has been supplied? So 3 into 2.64 you need to multiply. So how much you will be getting? It is nothing but 7.92 meter cube. And for booth 2, it is going to be 2 into 2.64, and if you multiply, we will be getting 5.28 meter cube. Yes, so now this first milk booth is going to hold the volume of what? 7.92 meter cube milk, and the second booth is going to hold the volume of 5.28 meter cube milk. So now using this as a volume and base area, we need to find the height for the first vessel, and for the second vessel, using this as volume and 1 meter as radius, we need to find the height of the what vessel? It's a cylindrical vessel, right? So now we will do for booth 1. So for booth 1, we know volume. So booth 1 is of cuboidal vessel. So what is the volume of cuboidal vessel? It is LBH. We know the volume, right? So which is 7.92 equal to L into B. They have given the base area, which is 3.96 into height. So you need to find what is height, which is 7.92 divided by 3.96. So if you divide, we'll get the answer as 2. So how much level this cuboidal vessel filled with the milk? which is h equal to 2 meter. The level is 2 meter. This is what the answer for our first milk booth. And now still we need to find the level of booth 2. So what is the shape of booth 2? It's a cylinder. So what is the volume of a cylinder? It is pi r square h. And we know the volume of the milk booth 2, which is 5.28, and pi r square is there, right? So we can make it as 22 by 7 into r is 1 only, 1 into 1 into height. So we have to find the level. So height you keep it on our left hand side and move everything to the right hand side. So what you will be getting? 5.28 into 7 divided by 22. So if you cancel, you will be getting over here 1.68. So the height of the milk booth 2, which is filled with the milk, it is up to 1.68 meter. So we have found the level of milk on both the booths. This is what our answer. Hope you understood. Do subscribe for more videos. Thank you.